Guardian Capital PAP. The pros, the cons. Guardian Capital isn't your average investment app. It's part of a respected asset management firm with a long history in institutional investing. But how does its app measure up for modern investors? Let's break down the pros and cons. Starting with the pros: credibility. Guardian Capital manages billions in assets and has decades of experience, which adds serious weight to its investment strategies. Second, professional management. The app gives access to portfolios built by financial experts using a disciplined, research-based approach. Third, diversification. Users gain exposure to a mix of global equities, fixed income, and alternative assets, helping reduce overall risk. Now, the cons. Guardian Capital isn't as beginner-friendly as some robo-advisors. It's geared toward investors who already understand the basics of portfolio management. Another drawback: limited innovation. While the app offers strong fundamentals, it lacks the flashy AI-driven tools or automation found in newer fintech competitors. The surprising truth? Guardian's strength lies in reliability. It focuses on steady, long-term performance over chasing trends. In short, the pros: credibility, professional oversight, and diversification make Guardian Capital perfect for serious investors seeking trust and tradition. But if you're after high-tech features or zero-fee investing, it may feel old-fashioned.